Let's talk about today the price tag of your dream. So let me ask you something that most people hardly ever calculate, and that is, what does your dream actually cost you? And I'm not talking about the dollar amount of your dream or the investment in a course or a coach or a mastermind. I'm talking about the real price of your time, the price of your focus, your control, and your current life. Because here's what I learned after 34 years in banking and building a real business from what I'm calling the ground up. Most people, they want the outcome of the success without really sitting down and counting what it's going to cost them to get there. And then they wonder why they quit. I went from new accounts rep at the bank and all the way up to director and executive vice president of retail banking and training. And that did not happen by accident. And it didn't happen cheap. I had to put in a lot of work to get there. I paid for that with early mornings. I stayed late. I did a lot of things that were not my jobs to get there. I invested in a lot of relationships that nobody else saw value in at that point in time. And I paid for it with discipline when distraction was cheaper and easier. There are so many things that you have to do to pay a price that nobody else is willing to do to get to where you want to go. And when I made that decision to walk away that day from my 34-year career in banking and build Gossage Consulting and the Power Connectors community, I had to count all of the cost all over again from scratch as an entrepreneur. And so I had to have the conversation with my husband, the real conversation, again, not asking for permission. And I want to be clear about that. But I had to ask for alignment. I remember, too, whenever he went into office, he sat down with me and our son. And I remember the day where my son and I were sitting on the couch and he was sitting in the chair. And he wanted to get permission, and not really permission, but he wanted to make sure that we were in alignment with what it was that he was going to be doing and the time it was going to take and the late nights and the travel. And it was the same for me. We had to make sure that our visions aligned and that we were going to be with him. And I had to make sure that he was going to be with me. You know, not just watching from the sidelines and not wondering where I was, but that we were all going to be together in the same decision, the same alignment. And when things didn't seem to be going well, when we couldn't have dinner at the same table, we understood why. We talked about what the next season was going to require, the long days, the weekends. Instead of building what maybe we thought was going to be short term, we talked about what the long term was going to be, the events that we might have to pass on, the family things that we might have to pass on, and the investments that we would have to make to see the long-term return. And so we counted it before we all started, so that neither of us were going to be blindsided when certain bills came due. And that made all of the difference in the world for both of us, because we both took our time to build the things that we wanted to build. And when you don't count that cost up front, your mind is going to start negotiating with you the moment that times start getting hard. You're going to start thinking other things. I'll start next month, or maybe the timing isn't right, or I've been posting, but nothing's working. The algorithm is against me. Maybe this just isn't for me. Does that all sound familiar to you? I know it does. I know. I know it sounds familiar. You have been there. Maybe you've worked through all of that. I hope that you have. But that's not discernment. That's not God closing a door. That's you looking for a refund on a dream that you haven't paid for yet or fully paid for yet. I built my entire methodology on relationship revenue systems. My work with CEOs and entrepreneurs on one truth. One truth. You're hearing me say this a lot, and I believe it with everything within me. And that is relationships are the new CEO. But relationships, they require consistency. Consistency requires sacrifice. Sacrifice requires that you've already decided that the dream is worth the cost before the hard days show up. I have hard days. Even still, I have hard days. But I am not going to give up when that hard day comes, because hard days will show up, and I know that that is an obstacle that the devil put in my way for me to find a way to work around it. It is a construction zone, and things happen in the construction zone, and you figure out a strategy. You figure out a way to get through the construction zone, and you work through it. I want to ask you what I ask most leaders. I want to say every leader, but I do fail there. I don't ask every leader, but most leaders that I work with is, have you counted the cost of your dream? Just like I did when I worked in corporate. Not the highlighted real version, okay? The real version, the 4 a.m. version, the I am tired, but I am not stopping version. Because I promise you, living the hardest thing inside your dream is still better than living comfortably inside a life that was never really yours. Get comfortable being uncomfortable so that you can live the dream that you are looking to dream. You are going to have hard days. I promise you, you will. It's not easy being an entrepreneur. It's not. And you will have those hard days, but you will come through them. The Power Connectors community exists because I was willing to pay a full price for my vision. It has taken months, over a year for me to get to where I was. And it started small. It started with the vision of a vetted ecosystem of people that I was going to refer. That's where it started. Then it became a business directory. And now it has become a full-blown community. And I believe that I can get people warm connections, warm referrals that will help you grow and scale your company. I believe it with all my heart. I've done it all of my life. I can do it now. So come find me. Let's build something real together, because your dream is worth full price. And so are you. You can do this. I believe in you. And I want to thank you for the time that you spend, not just today, but every week on the Influence and Growth Mastery. And if this hits home to you, I want you to share it with your circle or share it with somebody who needs to hear it. And remember, relationships are your greatest revenue strategy. And until next week, I love you. I appreciate you. And I will talk to you again right here again very soon. Bye.